I see a secret.
Okay, he's got another turn of the Duelist box. We're gonna open
You're
it
gonna
up.
drop the camera again?
And it's split,
Don't!
so we're gonna see what happens here.
Not yet.
Does everyone want absolute zero?
Swordbreaker, fuck yeah!
Here we go.
Swordbreaker.
Okay, we're gonna do it right after this.
Robert versus Kyle. Alan versus Ryan.
Who's that?
Spoken book of life.
And Quinn versus Kit.
Spellbook of Life.
Tina? Damn.
Alright,
So,
guys.
I forgot to do the explosion part there.
Nothing good
my
enough.
camera, I'm not even
Start over.
focusing.
Okay, pass me some of your garbage. I'll do a quick round up here for you.
Oh, so that's good, yeah, too.
No,
Oh, it's the
nice.
next cow.
He's gonna get the secret though,
Probably.
because I'm getting all the supers and stuff.
Oh, look
Oh,
at that. I want that.
That's a third one.
That's the third one.
Third one what?
Robo Blaster.
I'm gonna wind up with crap now.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's the
That's the one I need.
that's the best one. One of the best ones.
It's a new Hornet.
Pretty much.
Oh, some of that one. It's got some good pulls right now, man.
Yep.
I'm waiting for the secret and the ulti.
Go.
Oh.
Ghost exchange.
I want that one, Kyle. You don't like those, remember?
35.
My half of the box is gonna be jank.
Ah!
Oh my god. I'm sorry.
Holy shit! We mixed him up though.
I've been stabbed.
Oh, the ulti!
Every
There's an
time.
ulti, an ultra, an ultra, a ghost.
It's like every shade of the.
Come on, where's the fucking secret?
Let's get the secret.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh, here we go.
How many packs have you opened already?
Ah!
No way!
He got all of them.
It's like,
I need this off of you.
Oh,
like
Dun,
this
dun,
is
dun,
gonna
dun.
be dank, man.
yeah, this is gonna be jank.
I just made a lot of money.
His turn. Hold up.
Dude, I gotta see all this. Let me see this.
Oh, I need that. What I made.
Illusion
Never mind.
Snatch.
Oh, yeah, I have two. Never mind.
Can I get your Excalibur?
Damn,
Did it?
that was just horrible.
How about your Grand Sword?
Ah. Kyle, you're so unfair.
What?
I've been stabbed.
No kidding.
Oh.
Oh, I need that. I need that rare.
Jake,
Trade me the Grand Swell.
Are you getting anything?
I don't think I'm getting anything.
What's Grand Soul going for?
Oh, dude, it was in a psychic deck.
Yeah.
Nobody
With
can get a
YCS, so
Thunder
it's like a
Dragon
$60
or whatever that
card.
thing is.
No, it's
Thunder-
not.
You know what it does?
Oh.
It's Earth only though.
It's like a Dark Arm Dragon that you special summon one for your
Yep.
opponent's graveyard.
Kyle, man.
Yeah, it's not,
Feels so
Fuck
bad.
all this shit.
it's not your fault. You split it half.
That's 600?
Yep.
I need that.
Oh,
is
this part of the
horrifying.
video is kind of boring.
Yep.
We're
This is a foregone conclusion here.
We're sorry, Tina.
Oh, it's all good.
So 3 packs I got nothing, and 9 packs I got something.
Oh, can I open one? Can you open the last one?
No, you're
Yeah.
recording.
He's gonna get a Thunder Spark.
Probably.
No,
I'm hoping.
I don't
We
think
get
it's
something.
Oh, this
I'm
is
hoping.
this is it.
the worst half bat box opening. No, imagine you got the illusionary snatcher and you didn't get it.
Yeah. That'd be so
Yep.
bad. Oh
Yeah,
my
this
God.
is just
So sad.
yeah.
Oh.
See.
It's like watching a
He'll pull a
puppy
card
die.
D. He'll pull a card D.
Yes, you
This is like watching a puppy die.
Don't joke about that.
Let's see the last one.
That shit happens in real life.
Oh,
man.
it's trouble.
Okay, this is like watching Kaiba smile.
Oh.
Oh.
That's it, guys.
That's